You've probably arrived here because you're interested in the IUL. I believe the IUL is the best financial tool available for wealth and retirement planning. Hi, I'm John Havey with Life Legacy Group, and I'm an IUL specialist that helps people like you use it to get on the path to financial freedom. So what is the IUL and what makes it the best financial tool available for retirement planning and financial freedom? There are two parts to the IUL. It is an insurance product first. That means it has a tax-free death benefit, like every life insurance, that will go to your heirs when you pass away. And secondly, it has a cash value portion that is very unique that you won't find anywhere else. So let's look at those features. Number one, this cash value portion is not in the market, but it is tied to the market. What does this mean? It means your money is tied to a market index like the S&P 500, and there are others to choose from. But it means that your money will grow when that index is up. And since you are not in the market, you won't lose anything when it goes down. Now, it's not some big secret how the insurance company does this, but rest assured, some of the best money managers in the world work for the insurance companies. And to confirm this, banks will put their tier one money with the insurance company. And that should tell you all you need to know about the safety and strength of the company and your money. And that brings me to point number two, that your money is safe. Do you have a 401k, IRA, or own stocks? You know what happens when the market goes way down. The value of your account goes down with it, and you have to wait for it to come back. Not with an IUL. If the market is down for a year, you lose nothing. And with some plans, you can even gain 0.25%. But not losing means your money is the highest level of safety. Even Warren Buffett is famous for saying the two rules of money are: one, don't lose money, and two, don't forget rule one. Okay, number three, as you contribute money each year, the money will continue to grow over the years and compound. That means your interest will earn interest, which will earn interest, and so on. Einstein said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. It's very simple and very powerful. If your money can double every 7 to 8 years, you can see how with some time, a small plant becomes a big tree of cash value. So if you have kids under the age of 21, for example, now is the time to get them started on an IUL for that reason alone, because a little money will go a long way. All right, number four, and this is a big one. You can access your money tax-free. The cash value that has grown, you can access it tax-free. According to IRS Section Code 7702, you are allowed to access your money tax-free. Now, this has to be done the right way, and that is with the insurance company loaning you the money. When you take it as a loan, the full amount of your cash value is still there earning interest. And of course, a loan is not considered taxable. Think of a real estate rental property where you borrow money from the value of the property, but the property value continues to go up. In this case, you may get a loan with a low interest of, say, 4.5%, and the market goes up 9.5%, whereby you still earn the difference, or 5%. In other words, the house didn't go away just because you borrowed money against it. The house being your total cash value in this case. And that brings us to point number five. Although you took out a loan, your entire cash value is still earning interest. That's right. You still get the benefit of all the cash value working for you, even though you've taken a loan out for some of your money. Just like our rental property example that keeps going up in value as the market goes up, so does your cash value. How can the insurance company do this? Because it is backed by the death benefit. Remember, this is a life insurance policy. So if and when you pass away, loan will just be taken out of that death benefit, which brings us to point number 6. The loans do not have to be paid back. Unlike our real estate example, this loan doesn't need to be paid back, and nobody is going to foreclose on your policy. Essentially, it is a phantom loan that you don't have to pay back. And that's because, number 1, your entire cash value is still there earning interest. And number 2, your loan is guaranteed by the insurance death benefit. So let's say you have $1 million there that's earning 10% for you, just for easy calculation. You could, in theory, be taking out just the interest, or the $100,000 in this case. And this is how our clients are using the IUL to build wealth and having tax-free money there for retirement. And of course, finally, when you pass away, you will still be leaving your heirs with a tax-free death benefit. And so you can start to see the formula to build generational wealth. So let's summarize all the unique features that makes an IUL the best financial tool available. Number 1, it is life insurance. 2, it has cash value that will earn interest and continue to grow based on the market index. Number 3, your cash value is safe from market downturns, only participating in the gains. Number 4, you can borrow from that cash value tax-free at any time. Number 5, the loans don't have to be paid back. Number 6, you can continue to take money out without fear of running out of money. And finally, number 7, of course, you leave behind a tax-free death benefit. There really is no other asset class that has all these features. One last very important thing to note here. The IUL must be properly structured and maximum funded in order to get the most out of the cash value growth. And this is what we specialize in, and we'll show you with your own custom illustration. If you haven't done so, schedule an appointment and we will go over the details and set up a customized IUL illustration for you, so you can see how it works and fits with your financial goals. I'm John Havey with Life Legacy Group, and I look forward to helping you get on the path to financial freedom.